Morón is a small city located in the central part of Cuba, and it's known for its beautiful landscapes, historic sites, and friendly people. If you're planning to visit Cuba and you're interested in exploring the countryside, then this horse wagon tour is a must-try experience. You'll get to see some of the most beautiful landscapes in Cuba. The tour will take you through the countryside, and you'll get to see some of the local farms and plantations, where you can learn about the different crops grown in the region, such as sugarcane, tobacco, and coffee. This is Hotel Morón, a timeless treasure built in the 1940s that has been delighting guests with its charm ever since. This elegant establishment has become a beloved landmark in the area, attracting visitors from far and wide who are drawn to its exquisite colonial architecture. With grand archways, high ceilings, and ornate details, this